Hello there, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to discuss how Amazon FBA works and how you can make money from it. Now the question you have is, I'm from X country, can I sell on Amazon? Yes, you can sell on Amazon no matter where you are in the world. There are distinct timings on Amazon's marketplaces in the United States, Canada, India, and the United Kingdom. However, Amazon USA is the one that I recommend the most, because it is the largest online marketplace as well as the marketplace has the most potential and has the most opportunity. Okay, so if you're curious and you're from South Africa, Philippines, Canada, or anywhere else in the world, you can absolutely sell on Amazon and make money. Amazon FBA is more like private labeling than dropshipping. Private labeling is basically when we slap or put our logo and brand onto a product and call it our own. The first step with Amazon FBA is to find a profitable product to sell. What is a profitable product? A profitable product is a product on Amazon that has demand. People want to buy it. There's a stable market for it. The product is generating revenue. That's the first thing that we want to do. We want to find a profitable product on Amazon using product research tools, one of which is called Jungle Scout. Once we've found our profitability, the next step is to find a supplier and manufacturer to wholesale our products. So, let's say our product is a Swiss knife. We'll contact suppliers, and we usually go through Alibaba, which you've probably heard of. And once we've found a supplier who can make the proper product that we just found, I normally recommend 250 to 300 units of stock. Then we go ahead and send that product to an Amazon fulfillment center. Once we've set up our parts on Amazon Fulfillment Center, Amazon does an excellent job of packing, fulfilling, and shipping orders, all our products for us. So we don't even have to see or touch our products ever. But people asking, do I get the parts shipped to my house? Like, what is the process? So once we find a supplier that can wholesale products, we negotiated a deal with them. Then we get a ship to an Amazon fulfillment center. Then after it gets to center, then that's when Amazon fills the pack and ship all our products for us. They take care of all inventory, all the shipping, and all you do is sit back and watch the money come through. So what makes this Amazon FBA so powerful is because unlike drop shipping where you have to spend money, and when you get lucky to find a niche that is doing extremely well, in Amazon, you don't have to test anything because it's already viable. It's already a profitable product. You don't have to worry about testing. You don't have to worry about driving traffic to your store because Amazon already has all the traffic for you. You have to basically just selling on their marketplace. You don't have to worry about running Facebook ads. You don't have to worry about traffic. All we do is find products that are doing well and then send them to Amazon, and then we can start selling them from there. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions, comment down below. Your questions help me deliver better content for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.